Here I have REALME C1. Let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer right here and let's use the first secret code. So let me open at first the engineer mode. Let's use this code *808#. As you can see, engineer mode just pops up. Here you can navigate by using the screen by tapping appropriate options. You can, for example, here assembly test projects. You can see device debugging. For example, you can perform vibration test, keypad test. You can select the camera and test your camera. You can see the media debugging, for example, the receiver test, and other stuff, for example, the communication debugging, such as the SIM card test or others. Here, for example, you can check the software version. Here you've got the information about your device. Let's go back, and now let me show you how to check the ColorOS version. Let's just use this code *1234# and ColorOS version just pops up in front of you. Tap OK. Now let me show you how to open eWarranty card. Let's use *12345#, and as you can see, eWarranty card just pops up. Alright, let's go back. Now let's open here the Android testing menu. So all you need to do is use this code *4636##, and the testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. So let's choose the phone information. Here you can get access to IMEI information, phone number, current network, signal strength, and you can also use other stuff right here. Let's go back. Now it's time to open user statistics. Here you can see all apps from your device and you can read the counter and the usage time. Let's use the back key again and let's open Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API to disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks, or get connection info. You can also here open the Wi-Fi config and see configured networks from your device. That's it. Let's go back. Here you can also get access to Wi-Fi status, to refresh or stats, or simply to read the information about your Wi-Fi. Let's go back again. Let me quit this Android testing menu, and it's time to open now the calendar info. So let's use this code ***225#***. As you can see, calendar information just pops up. You can read them right here, or you can go back to quit this menu. Now let me open the Google Play service. So let's use ***426#***, and the Google Play services just pops up. Here you can read ping, connect, disconnect, or events. Alright, let's go back, and at the end let me show you how to check IMEI info by using secret code. So let's use *#06#, and IMEI info just pops up. Tap OK to close this window. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.